In a typical learning environment, students go through a standardized learning process. Some find it easy to comprehend learning, while other students struggle to cope up. Every student has his own journey of learning. Some need more time, and teachers struggle to ensure all students stay up to speed. At EduQuest, we understand this. Taking a holistic view, we stand out from the rest. From the time the students step in, psychometric evaluation is the first step, followed by a written assessment and a one-to-one interview, including an objective and subjective analysis, allowing for a comprehensive analysis and feedback to charge the way ahead. Then, modules gets decided. Students are divided into personalized groups, based on modules. Profile strengthening process promises to balance emotional quotient and intelligent quotient, for a roadmap to a powerful profile, leading to customizations for students. Personalization and continuous mapping is a strength of our programs, including a performance ladder prepared to keep monitoring progress. An adaptive model of coaching allows for better preparation and filling in areas of gaps for the students. Adaptive customization, of course, allows for a smoother learning process and better preparations for a range of modules. Testing zones allow for random testing at varying difficulty levels. This way students are better prepared for admission tests. Admission process starts with shortlisting the university. Then follows the writing and edits of essays, SOPs and recommendation letters, paving the way for admissions to desired universities. Acceptance letters follow, allowing students to take off to a better future. Come, enroll yourself to the path of success.